welcome back everybody to another Roblox, Roblox video. It was meant to be Slide and Slime, but it looks like an obby, and I really suck at obbies, and I keep dying straight away. Straight away I keep on dying like that. I really want to get past this. Come on, and jump, and no, straight in here that time. And jump, and jump, and jump, no, straight in here, and then I work off the side. Jump, and straight into it again. Come on, I can do this. No. I think I should stop. That's better. Scratch. Well, itch. Scratched it though. I think I should stop playing obbies and Roblox because it's taken an awful lot of videos. Plus, I'm not good at obbies. Obbies and me do not get along, and I've done it, and I think I died. And it's that one, and no brainer here, it's that one, and go. That's it. Now over these. No! I thought that would be easy, but no, it's not easy. And come on, what's happening? I couldn't even make the first one that time. Right, and again. Come on. If I didn't improve obbies anytime soon, I'm just gonna quit obbies altogether. And this should be an easy one. And I walked in here, and again, and jump, and that's it, over. And jump on the crowbar, on the crate, on the stick, crowbar, and great. I hate these ends. See what I mean? I do not like them. Well, I don't like obbies, but these are worse. They're just wee needles sticking out the ground, and they're on a blue? I meant to say they're on a brown plank, which makes it a hell of a lot harder, and I never saw that one at the end, so I just died yet again. Jump. Okay. Jump, and that guy's a zombie. Jump. And he jumped right off yet again. I seriously hate obbies. That's it. Didn't come with I hate obbies, and obbies just hate me, and oh, they're going in and out, so okay, that's fine. Okay. And I think that's the finish there. So guys, if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Ciao.